Hello friends, welcome to Macnotech YouTube channel. Our today's topic is optical comparator. So this is a very simple in construction and having high reliability, and it is mostly used for the high degree of magnification. So let us see the principle of working. Here you can see the rays are coming from here and it reflects from here. This is a reflector. So the rays are coming from here, it is with the angle of theta and reflect at the angle of theta, right? Now what is the working principle? If I tilt this reflector with an angle alpha, then the reflection of the ray will be 2 alpha, right? So this is main the working principle of this optical comparator. Now here you can see this is a construction for the optical comparator. So this is a light source and the rays are coming from here and it pass through the condenser, reticule and lens, and then rays are coming to the movable mirror. So this is the mirror which is movable, right? Now the rays are reflect from movable mirror to fixed mirror, and then again it reflect to the movable mirror, and then rays are pass at the eyepiece, right? So here this is the output, we can say this is the input source of the ray and this is the receiver of the rays, right? So in between this mechanism is happen. So this rays are reflect from movable mirror to the fixed mirror and then again fixed mirror to the movable mirror. So this is happen because of for the high magnification. If you want more magnification, then these things is required to be done, right? So this is the basic working of optical comparator. Now this is a workpiece, right? So the size of the workpiece is fixed. So if the size of workpiece is less, suppose say height is less, then the plunger will be come downward and this will be tilt. So as this movable mirror tilt, the output will be we can measure. So this is the basic working of optical comparator, right? Now application. So optical comparator use at the very high degree of magnification is required. Okay, so where the higher magnification is required, this comparator is used. Now what is the advantage of optical comparator? So as I told you, accuracy is high as compared to mechanical and electrical comparator, provide high range of measurement, and the parallax error is not in this optical comparator. So parallax error, you know, it is the error while measuring, right? While take the reading, that kind of error is happen, parallax error, right? So this is the advantage of this optical comparator. Now if you see the limitation of optical comparator, so size of the optical comparator is large compared with the other comparator. So size is large. Another, external source of power supply is required. Power supply is required, and heating of the instrument due to light source may affect the accuracy. Okay, there is a light source used. So if it is more heat, then it may be affect the accuracy. For taking reading easily and properly, dark room is required. So here another thing, dark room is required, and cost is high compared to the mechanical and electrical comparator. So this is about the optical comparator. So hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, then press like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.